In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a blank landing page template in ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly create a completely clean, empty page that you can customize any way you like. This is perfect if you don't want to start from a pre-designed template and instead want full control over your layout, colors, and content. First, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Page. As soon as you select Page, a pop-up window will open showing you a variety of ready-made templates. These are useful if you want something pre-built, but for this tutorial, we want a completely blank canvas. To do that, look again toward the top right area of this pop-up. You should see an option that says Start from Blank. Click that button. If you don't see it right away, make sure you scroll or expand the window so all options at the top are visible. Once you click Start from Blank, the pop-up will refresh and you'll now be setting up the details for your new page. First, give your page a clear name. This is mostly for your own organization inside ClickFunnels, so choose something that helps you recognize what the page is for, like Test Landing Page or Webinar Opt-in Blank. Next, you'll see a space where you can set the URL path for that page. You can type in a custom URL slug if you already know what you want it to be, or you can leave it empty. If you leave it blank, ClickFunnels will automatically use your page name as the URL path, which can save time. You'll then see an option to choose a page style. Pick the one that best matches the overall type of page you're planning to build. Below that, you'll have toggles for index in search engine and add to site navigation. Turning on index in search engine means search engines will be able to find and show this page. If you're just testing or building, you might want to keep that off for now. Adding it to site navigation will place the page in your site's main menu, which is helpful for important public pages. When you're happy with these settings, click the Create Page button. ClickFunnels will now generate your page. After a short moment, the page will reload and automatically open in the page editor. What you'll see is a fully blank landing page with no pre-filled sections or elements. From here, you can start dragging in headlines, text, images, buttons, forms, and any other blocks you need, building your layout from scratch exactly the way you want it. And that's all you need to get a blank landing page template in ClickFunnels 2.0 ready for full customization.